Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to set up Cash App Bitcoin wallet. In order to set up Cash App Bitcoin wallet, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to open your Cash App application and log in. And here you could either go ahead and tap on the Bitcoin icon or right over here. When you click on the Bitcoin icon, you will then be able to see these options. So you'll be provided with three different options. First of all, you could either buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, or transfer Bitcoin. So what you want to do is, in order to set up, first of all, you want to go back to your home page once again. And here, you want to click on the profile initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen. After which, you then need to go ahead and click on Enable Withdrawals, and once you click on the Enable Withdrawals, then you just need to go ahead and follow the prompt to create an account. So all you need to do is enter the phone number or email address. You also need to link a bank account or a debit card in order to use Cash App. After which, make sure to complete all the steps and procedure necessary, and once you get the notification stating that you've successfully set up Cash App Bitcoin wallet, go ahead and use your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. So that is all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.